The primary ways to control your Rogers Ignite TV box involve the power button on your Rogers remote. Let's explore powering on, off, and sleep modes. To power on your box, simply press the power button, which looks like a circle with a vertical line. The box will display the Rogers Ignite logo and load the home screen in 10 to 15 seconds. To power off completely, hold the power button for 3 seconds until the screen goes black. This cuts power to save energy. For sleep mode, press the power button briefly. This dims the screen, pauses playback, and keeps the box on standby, ideal for quick resumes. It activates automatically after 2 hours of inactivity. Note that unplugging the box can corrupt settings, so it's best to avoid doing so. For minor glitches, perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 5 seconds until the box reboots. This takes 30 to 60 seconds and clears temporary memory without losing settings. For a full factory reset, navigate to Settings using the remote, then go to System and select Restart. This performs a complete reset. For advanced controls, use voice commands like Hey Google, turn on or off my TV if paired with a Google Nest Hub, or use Alexa with Rogers Smart Home integration. Additionally, the Rogers Ignite app allows remote power control, scheduling sleep modes, or triggering restarts from your phone. Some models have a physical power button on the side, while newer ones are fully app-controlled, eliminating the need for remotes.